This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaj ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 01123978046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Multidisciplinary central teams have been deployed in 10 identified states with reported rise in COVID-19 cases, including new variant Omicron and slow vaccination. The teams have been sent to Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Mizoram, Karnataka, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Punjab, and will be stationed for 3 to 5 days and work along with the state health authorities in the management of COVID-19. The teams will specifically look at areas of contact tracing, including surveillance and containment operations, and COVID-19 testing, including sending of adequate samples from clusters for genome sequencing. The central teams will assess the situation, suggest remedial actions and submit a report every evening on the public health activities being undertaken. The Assam government has decided to impose night curfew across the state from today to contain the spread of COVID-19 infection. Assam State Disaster Management Authority issued a revised and consolidated directive yesterday for both rural and urban areas, which came into force from 6 a.m. today until further orders. The night curfew is from 11:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. across the state. However, this curfew will not be applicable on the 31st of this month. All government offices will remain open and business commercial establishments will remain open till 10:30 p.m. For open space meeting gathering, the limit of the gathering will be allowed depending on the COVID situation in the respective districts, and for closed venues up to 50% of the seating capacity of hall and auditoriums. Religious places are allowed to operate with 60 fully vaccinated persons per hour for iconic places and 40 fully vaccinated persons per hour for other religious places. Any person who are not wearing masks or spitting in public places shall be fined 1,000 rupees. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the people of the country and abroad in the Mann Ki Baat program on All India Radio at 11 a.m. today. It will be the 84th episode of the monthly radio program. In a tweet, the Prime Minister said he has received several inputs for this month's Mann Ki Baat, which is the last program of 2021. It will be broadcast on the entire network of AIR and Doordarshan, AIR News website and News on AIR mobile app. It will also be streamed live on YouTube channels of AIR News, DD News, PMO and Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Union Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change and Labour and Employment Bhupendra Yadav arrived at Imphal for a 3-day visit to Manipur. He attended a program of good governance held on the head office of BJP Manipur Pradesh at Imphal. Yadav also led others in paying homage to former Prime Minister late Atal Bihari Vajpayee on his birth anniversary. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also attended the program. Addressing the gathering, the Union Minister said the political journey of late Vajpayee has become a revolutionary step in the Indian political era. Under his leadership, the Golden Corridor was made for the economic improvement of the country. He also introduced welfare schemes which directly provide benefits to the villagers. The Union Minister said the BJP-led central as well as state government has been working to develop Manipur. Many schemes have been implemented in the state and projects have been taken up for better connectivity. Along with the rest of the world, Christmas was celebrated across the Northeast yesterday. Christians all over the world celebrate Christmas to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. On the occasion, people attended church service and prayed for peace in the whole world. People also exchanged greetings and gifts as they wished each other Merry Christmas. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.